The star of today's first day of the long-awaited post-COVID test series between England and the West Indies was not any member of either team. But with the weather creating havoc on the first day's play, it was West Indian fast bowling legend and current Sky commentator Michael Holding who stole the spotlight with a most riveting speech in the pre-game build-up. Listen to Michael Holding like we've never heard him before, talking about Black Lives Matter and racism. Listen.
Go through history, Wardy. These lights that are shining on us. You can tell me who invented the light bulb, right? Thomas Edison, right? Everybody knows Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Thomas Edison invented a light bulb with a paper filament. It burnt out in no time at all. Can you tell me who invented the filament that makes these lights shine throughout? Nobody knows, because it's a black man. It was not taught in schools. Louis Howard Latimer invented the carbon filament to allow lights to continuously shine. Who knows that? Everything should be taught. When you go back, they keep on telling me there's nothing called white privilege. Give me a break. I don't see any white people going into a store on Oxford Street and being followed. A black man walks in, somebody is following him everywhere he goes. That is basic white privilege. Whether that white person went in to rob the place or not is not going to be thought of that way. And things like that have to change.